making the old video I just watched, like how to draw a PS4 video, because that's too old and that's not good. I understand why I got 39 dislikes, but y'all still should have liked the video anyway, because y'all knew I was a beginner. I don't care, y'all knew I was a beginner. But now I'm about to go draw a new one that looks way better. I know none of y'all asked for it, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I just felt like it. Like I don't want to have that doodle drawing determine on how I could draw or not, because like, I know I'm good. I know I'm cold at it. Like really, like don't try me. Like I know I'm cold at it. So I mean, why not just make a new video? But that's what I'm doing now. I'm about to go make this new video. I'm about to go redraw the PS4, and it's gonna be better this time. It's gonna be a PS4 Pro. And when I go to the comments, I don't want to see nothing negative, all positive stuff, and nothing but likes. 0 dislikes. All right, 0 dislikes. 0 dislikes. I don't want any dislikes. Only likes, because I know this is finna be some heat. Okay, so now let's get on with the video. Before I start with this video, I'm gonna need every last one of you guys that's watching to go subscribe. Right now, go subscribe. I'm not moving until you do. Hello, go subscribe. Stop looking at me and go subscribe right now. You done yet? Alright, thank you.
Evil.
final product. This took me literally forever, like who knows how long. Like I spent way too much time on this, but that goes to show that I basically proved myself, cause y'all was talking mess about that it was going too fast, and well, I did it again. All right, 39 dislikes. This video should have 0. Come on now, like, come on now, like really, like come look at this. Like who is really like? Come on now, come on now. Like this really just took me a cool minute. I sat here faithfully and knocked this out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Don't forget, y'all need to like the video. Like the video, because like I spent a lot of time on this. Like the video. I would really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed. You should have already subscribed, because at the beginning of the video I told you to subscribe. So if you're here already and you're not subbed, then what are you doing? Like, there's really a... And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Giannis__cartoons. I'll put like something on the screen so y'all can know, like, but that's my Instagram. If y'all want to see like anything, like any of my other artwork, my graphic artworks, all that kind of stuff, if y'all want to see it, just follow me on there. And I'll most likely follow everybody back that follows me. So if you want to get a quick follow back from me and have any questions or anything, you can DM me on there and add me on there. But that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm tired, but I'm out.
I've been on top for a while. NASA chip it to the moon. Fast car make go vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set it.